Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to pin a post on Facebook. Let's start the video. First, open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website. Then navigate to the menu bar and head over to your profile by click on your profile picture or your name. From your timeline, find the post you want to pin. To pin the post, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Then select Pin Post. And that's it. The post will now stay at the top of your profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.